Floors, making and editing types. So we drew a floor. We used sketch mode and we followed the rules of sketch mode. And then we also learned how to click on the floor and then edit the sketch mode after the fact. But many people think, well, that's fine for just sort of the outer boundary of the sketch. But what about the thickness? How do you change that? Well, that has to do with the type. Just like walls have a type. So if you click on a wall, that has a type and the type has a thickness. Same thing with a floor. You click on the floor, it's a floor family, it has a type, and it has a thickness. This one's called floor generic 12 inches. Now, that may be fine for what we're doing depending on the size of the joists and the size of the subfloor we're using. But let's just review quickly how we can make our own, and then we can adjust the size. I'm going to click on Edit Type, and you'll notice here that we can duplicate. And this is a common thread throughout the entire course is anytime we edit something in this fashion, we're always going to be duplicating and giving it our own name. So we might call this one Floor 1 or F1. I'll say OK to that. So how do we edit the thickness? Well, that's found under Structure and then Edit. This is something that we're going to really delve deep into in some other videos. But for now, just to give it a basic thickness or change the basic thickness, that's found right here. It's just all lumped under the structural layer, and that's not AutoCAD layer, that's just a layer of the wall. So we're going to say, well, what if we want to change that to 9 inches? And then we'll say OK, and OK again. And now our floor has changed to 9 inches. So that's how you can edit a type.